Hi guys, welcome to Kronos. My name is Bala. இன்னைக்கு வந்து so assemblerனா என்ன கம்பைலர்னா என்னன்னு பார்க்கலாம். ஓகே, லாஸ்ட் வந்து கம்பைலர் என்வாயர்மெண்ட்ஸ் பார்த்தோம் லாஸ்ட் வீடியோவில். அண்ட் இந்த வீடியோவில் வந்து கம்பைலர்னா என்ன, அசம்பிளர்னா என்ன, தேர் இஸ் வாட் த டிஃபரன்ஸ் இஸ் பிட்வீன் த அசம்பிளர் அண்ட் கம்பைலர்னா என்னன்னு பார்க்கலாம். ஓகேவா, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வந்து assembler. Okay, assembler convert assembly language into machine language or object code. Okay, so assembly language means move, shift right, shift right, left, so add. ஸோ இதுதான் வந்து அசம்பிளி லாங்குவேஜ்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. நம்ம வந்து மைக்ரோ ப்ராசஸர்ல வந்து அதிகமாக அசம்பிளி லாங்குவேஜ் வந்து யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். அண்ட் அசம்பிளி லாங்குவேஜ் ஆல்சோ கால்ட் mnemonics. Assembler used to convert assembly language to language to machine language. Zeros and ones. So அதான் assembler work. Okay, and compiler. Okay, the compiler. Okay, the compiler is a special program. Compiler or programmer that translates programming language source code into machine code, bytecode, and other programming language. Okay, the compiler actually it's convert. So there's a source code to assembly language or mnemonics. Okay, so adan compiler work. Okay, so the whole compilation process, compiler is do these things only, not it directly convert to the bytecode. Okay, it's the whole compilation process do these things called bytecode conversion or machine code conversion. Okay, and different between compiler and assembler nu pathina. Okay, so the important difference. Okay, idella correct understand panninga. Okay, already I said assembler. Okay, assembler translate mnemonic code to machine language zeros and ones. So already நான் சொன்னேன் rotate right, rotate left, right shift operator, right shift operator, jump, move, add, divide, sub, இதெல்லாமே வந்து assembly languageல வருது. It directly convert assembly language to the machine language or object code or byte code or binary language is called zeros and ones. In compiler, it translates high level language to the assembly language. Assembly language means already I said what it means. And program which execute using assembler execute faster because it directly converts to the source code into the machine code. Okay, so assembler இருக்கிற source code எல்லாமே move, rotate, right, rotate, left, and addition, subtraction, jump, carry. So இதெல்லாமே assembler பண்ற work. So it is directly do it's convert into the machine language. But in compiler it's not to again compiler it's convert high level language to the assembly language, then it is feed to the assembler, then assembler is convert assembly language to the machine language. It has one additional work. Okay, it takes time to execute a program because it first translate the source code into another compiler language and then using assembler convert the machine language zeros and ones are convert panna. The whole code is converted to machine at a time. It does not convert entire code at a single time. The two phase of compiler assembler are first phase and second phase. Assembler வந்து ரெண்டு phase இருக்கு. Assembler byte from the assembly language to machine language conversion on the two phase required on the first phase and second phase. In compiler it has seven phases. Okay, lexical analyzer, syntax analyzer, semantic analyzer, intermediate code generator, code optimizer, code generator, and error handler. These are the phases of for the compiler. Okay, and next, and and so in assembler, in assembler, okay, in assembler input is assembly language. In compiler input is source code. Output of the assembler is directly it give the binary code. In output of the compiler it give the mnemonic code or assembly language. Different types of assembler include one pass assembler and load and go assemblers. And there are three different types of compiler: cross compiler, bootstrap compiler, and decompilers. So that's it, guys. In the videos, la assembler na and a compiler photo. There is and the difference. We discussed the difference between assembler and compiler. And okay, that's it. This video. Okay, we will see on another video. Okay, thanks, guys. And please, if you have a doubt, please comment out to me. And if you are, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, please subscribe my channel. Then only we will get updated video daily. I will update on new educational videos and it's related to the computer or computing and programming. So please subscribe my channel and please give valuable feedback for me. Thank you, guys.